Hello my dear students. Before teacher starts the lesson today, can you please open the textbook page 76. Now we are in the chapter 4, which is ratios, rates and proportions. So we start with the ratios first. So what is ratio? Ratio is used to compare two or more quantities of the same kind that are measured in the same unit. Same unit. Now, so where usually we find the ratio? We usually find the ratio in the map. If you learn the map in the geography, you can find the ratio. So the ratio can be written as A ratio B or A ratio B ratio C. So at least 2 and can be more than 2. Okay, we start with the first example. 5,000 gram ratio 9 kg. Okay, first we look at the unit. This is the unit for mass. Is different. One is in gram and one is in kg. So we have to change either both in kg or both in gram. It's up to you. Which one you find it more easier, you can choose either change in kg or change in gram. Okay, teacher first change in kg. Okay, so 5,000 gram, how many kg? To change in kg, we have to divide by 1,000. Okay, this one already in kg, no need to do anything, just write in 9 kg. So now 5,000 divided by 1,000 is 5 kg ratio 9 kg. So as we can see here, both the unit is the same. When the unit is the same, we can get rid or eliminate the unit. So the final answer should be 5 ratio 9. Okay. Let's say the student doesn't want to change in kg. They prefer to change in gram. No problem, yeah? Okay, now the second method, 5,000 gram ratio 9 kg equal to, okay, this one we want to change both in gram. So this one maintain. Maintain. Now 9 kg. 9 kg, how many gram? K. K is referred to 10 to the power of 3, means 1,000. K, the value of K. K is a kilo. The value of kilo is 1,000. So we write 9,000 gram. Okay, now the unit is the same. As I said before, when the unit is the same, we can get rid the unit. So we write 5,000 ratio 9,000. Okay, so the unit gone already. Okay, the ratio, the final answer should be in the simplest value. So 5,000, 9,000 can divide by 1,000. This one divide by 1,000. So the final answer is 5 ratio 9. Okay, as we can see, both answer is same. Okay, different method, same answer. Okay, now we look at the example 1, page, same page, page 76. Okay, page 76, example 1. Yeah. Example 1. Represent the ratio of 0.02 meter to 3 cm to 4.6 cm in the form of A ratio B ratio C. Okay. First, we copy what is given here. Okay, 0.02 meter ratio 3 cm ratio 4.6 cm. Okay, now we check the unit. The unit is different. This one is in meter, this one is cm, and this one is cm. So one is different. So I think you can, okay, this one either you change all in meter or all in centimeter. It's up to you. But teacher will change here in cm. So when I change in cm, this one maintain. No need to change. So just only 0.02 meter in cm. So 0.02 meter, how many cm? We have to multiple with 100. So 0.02 multiple 100 is 2. So now become 2 cm. Okay, 0.02 meter, if we multiple by 100, we can get 2 cm. Let's say 1 meter, how many cm? 100 meter. Yeah. 2 meter, how many cm? 200 meter. So, meter change to cm, always multiple 100. Ratio 3 cm, ratio 4.6 cm. So here we check the unit is the same, so we can get rid the unit. We write 2 ratio 3 ratio 4.6. Okay, now we look here. This is in decimal. So in the ratio, the final answer cannot be in decimal or in fraction. So how to get rid decimal? You multiple all by 10. Okay, if 4.6 you multiple by 10, you can get 46. So therefore here 20 ratio 30 ratio 46. Okay, no more decimal. Okay, I bring here equal. Okay, so I bring here 20 ratio 30 ratio 46. Okay, now as I said earlier, the final answer should be in the simplest number. So 20, okay, look here. If 20 can divide by 2, can divide by 2, can divide by 2. Okay, so if you divide the number by any number, all must do the same things. Okay, I divide first by 2. 20 divided by 2, 10. 30 divided by 2, 15. 46 divided by 2, 23. Okay, can divide or not this one? Can you divide by any more number? No. So you have to keep this as a final answer. So this is your final answer. Okay, this is a final answer. So I want you to do practice, self-practice 4.1. Yeah? Do self-practice. Okay. I want you to try this one. Okay. Self-practice, self-practice 4.1a, page 76. Okay, I want you to try this. Okay, if you cannot do any questions, I want you to PM me. Okay, so I will record that particular questions. I will send personally. Yeah. So I want you to do this exercise. Okay, when you do any maths exercise, first, if there is a method, you must show the method. So look at the example. How to write the methods. Okay. So if the method is less, then it's okay. Less method. So you should know either the method is long or the method is short or there is no method. You must know. Yeah. You look at the example, because some of the maths no need methods, but some need a method. For this exercise, as you can see in the example, need a method. Okay, that's all for today. I will continue tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.